Yo, what's up, guys? I got a quick video for you. I ordered the Asus VG248QE 1080p 144 hertz 1 millisecond response time LED gaming monitor, DisplayPort, HDMI, DVD, ergonomic, blah blah blah. So I thought it only fitting, I should say, to get a cable that can actually handle 144 hertz. So I contacted Cable Matters, I went to Amazon, getting ahead of myself. I went to Amazon, picked up a Cable Matters 10-foot 4K resolution ready display to display cable. And as I'm a Prime member, I got it for hella cheap, $12. So I couldn't really complain. So here's the problem. I had my monitor set to sleep after 45 minutes. And that does something. Display ports are very finicky. I can't really explain it. They just don't. They're not as reliable as HDMI, in my opinion, from what I've experienced. So my monitor went to sleep and never come back on. I shut my computer off. I restarted. I did a forced shutdown. All that stuff. Turned off the monitor. Turned it back on. All the normal stuff, and nothing worked. So I contacted Cable Matters, and they sent me out a replacement. Still nothing. The monitor worked just fine with HDMI, but it would not recognize the display cable. So I was looking around online and found the stupidest, most brilliant, dumbass idea of all. Have you turned them off and unplugged them? I thought to myself, no, I've turned them off, but I haven't unplugged them. And then I got to thinking, well, the Asus monitor, when it comes up, actually is more of a computer than a monitor almost, because it retains so much stuff inside. It's not like an old flat screen TV or an old tube TV or whatever. This thing is a computer / monitor. So I thought, well, why not? So I shut the battery backup off, and unplugged it from the battery bank, and waited a few minutes, plugged it back in, fired up the computer and monitor, and what do you know? It come right on, worked perfectly. I'll show you here. There's the resolution. And I thought I had this up, but I guess not. Or maybe I did. I don't know, whatever. Here we go. Generic PNP monitor, I don't know, whatever. I've got the AMD Radeon R9 290X GPU with a i7 4790K. Running at stock speeds right now, 16 gigs of memory. I don't know why any of this would matter, but I just want to kind of get that out of the way. I'm running 64-bit Windows 10, all that good stuff. But whenever I unplugged the monitor, it came up 144 hertz. So yeah, I have no clue, and I'm really pissed off at myself, because that is like the stupidest, brilliant thing I could think of. You've tried everything. You've tried different cables. You've tried voodoo magic and witchcraft, and none of it's worked. Just unplug the shit, give it a minute, plug it back in, see what's up. That's all I can tell you to do. So, guys, let me know if this helped you, and if it didn't, I personally, or one of my subscribers, will be glad to help you out. Stuff like this can be very frustrating, I know, and I'm surprised there's not more information about this. But if you're having a DisplayPort issue, unplug your modem, monitor, not your modem. I mean, I guess you can if you want to, but unplug your monitor and give it a minute to reboot. Just unplug your PC as well. Shut your PC down normally. Unplug your monitor and your PC. Just leave them unplugged for a few minutes. Plug it all back in. Let it clear itself out. And see if that works. Don't get frustrated. Don't break shit and go crazy and demand a refund or whatever. Just chill. Try different stuff out, and we'll get you through this, okay, guys? So I'm Big Nate, aka Captain America. I really hope this helped, because damn, it did. If I can find where I read that, the way it's written was very funny. It's kind of like, duh, you dumbass, unplug the shit and try that, man. If you've tried everything else, so I thought that was kind of funny. And if I find that, I'll leave a link to where I found it. But yes, try that, guys. Unplug your shit, plug it back in, and see what's up. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Like the video, because nobody likes having bullshit happen like this to them. Like the video, comment. Let me know if it worked. Let me know if you've ever had an experience that was like a duh moment. And subscribe, because I'm always putting out random videos. If it's gameplay, real life footage for now, because I have a GoPro finally. I'm a cheap bastard, but whatever. And PC stuff, we'll say. So, thanks for watching. I'm Captain America, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.